Hey everyone, if you're facing a black screen on your YouTube TV, don't worry, it's an easy fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to solve it in 2025. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or a spotty connection can easily cause streaming errors. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Next, restart the device you're using, whether it's a smart TV, phone, or streaming stick. This often clears out any temporary glitches that could be causing the issue. Make sure you're using the latest version of the YouTube TV app and head to your device's app store and install any available updates. These updates usually include important bug fixes. And if you're on mobile device, try clearing the app cache and data. This can help remove any corrupted files that might be interfering with playback. Next, sometimes the issue is on YouTube TV's end. Check their official Twitter account or support pages for any outage announcements or any maintenance updates. And if the black screen only happens with one show or channel, try playing something else. That will help you know if the issue is content specific or more widespread. Also, check your TV or device's display settings. Misconfigured resolution or input settings can sometimes result in a black screen. And if you're using an HDMI cable, make sure it's securely plugged in. Unplug and replug it into both the TV and your device to ensure a solid connection. And finally, if none of this work, reach out to YouTube TV support and they can offer personalized help based on your device and account setup. And that's it. Follow these tips and you should be back to streaming in no time. Hope this helped. Thank you.